All right. This is the upgrade video, the second upgrade video, and it's for the expenses app. I'm Caitlin Donkey, and with
I'm
me is.
Lindsay. Lindsay Miranda.
So let's just jump right into our future upgrade summary. So,
Okay. For me, I did L5 package where I inputted a package into the code to YAML that explains an expenses by category and it improves the bar chart. And the package I used was FL chart. I spent 2 hours on it and I used chat for debugging and for recommendations that I could use on the code. And I also did the L6 challenge, and then it's to input validation on what the user can or can't write. So like if they try to put a negative number or like try to move on without putting a date, they can't move on. And I improved the bar chart for that one, and I spent 1.5 hours for this one. And I also used chat for debugging and also reformatting the file and recommendations.
and for my upgrade, it was a little shorter, I guess. It was a level 4, just changing the state, and for this case, it's a toggle. So just adding a toggle to filter expenses. And for this iteration, at least, it's for filtering from the last 7 days of what that expense. Like we have our list of expenses and only the last 7 days show. And so not necessarily a whole lot of new tech or any packages. The toggle is a little bit new, but I'm not sure if it's a new Flutter concept. But I spent 1.5 hours. That's more of some of it was researching and trying to figure out which files to stuff it into. And I also used ChatGPT, and it's just used for suggestions for the code, how to clean it up, and reformatting it. So, because I was confused. But yeah. So if we want to hop over to our live demo, we have it open here.
I can't open it.
You can open it.
No, my
Okay.
book is up.
Okay. Can you see it? Sorry,
Yeah,
a
I
little technical difficulties with
can.
our emulator. uh, so can you see it at least?
Yeah,
Okay. So our original plan was to have Lindsay show her stuff.
I
Uh,
can move it around.
okay.
Okay. So for my L5 package, it basically improved the bar chart right here, and I just made it thinner and everything. And when you click on it, you could see the amount of money that is in each bar. And I need the code out here. If you can open it,
Okay.
it's basically the package that I inputted in YAML, if I can open it. It was oh, this one right here, and it allowed me to do that without using the separate chart bar. And then for can you open the app back up, please?
Yeah.
Okay, and then for the L6 upgrade, it was for when the user adds uh, another expense, it won't let them move without either not selecting a date, or if you put a negative number, it won't let you input it, save the expense. Let's see. It tells you this message right here, and that code is in, I think it's in here. Oh, I can't use it. Okay. Um,
Yeah, for
I
some
lost
reason
my
my system's very sensitive with the remote
yeah.
control.
Or no, I think it was in here. Okay, yeah. So it should be right here. This was the code, and it allowed me to not have to use chart bar and just input it into chart.
Mm.
And that's it for my two upgrades.
Well, my upgrade's just stashed away and it's up here. It's cutting off our title of our app a little bit, which is unfortunate, but it's just a little toggle button. And for right now, what we can see is we have our two just base expenses. And for right now, it's meant to show only the last 7 days. So it should get rid of cinema. So if we had more expenses, it might show some more variation. But for right now, it just gets rid of our cinema expense. And so go to the code. I believe all my code is in expenses start. So right here we have the duration that we're looking for is the 7 days, and we're just subtracting from date time now as that keeps us current. And then this is used down in our app bar right in here with our switch. So not too much heavy code for this one, for my upgrade at least. But that's it for me. Anything else that you want to show, Lindsay?
Yeah, I forgot to show the bar chart.
Oh, the code?
Yeah. See if I can find it. Um, okay, here it is. Basically creates basically the same thing that chart bar file does, but input it into chart. So it doesn't have to, it uses a package instead of having to create a whole other widget for it.
Mhm.
And that's it for that one.
Okay. Well, that is our upgrade video here. Well, thank you for watching.